Good day, everyone. I hope you all doing good. And by the way, I am Shela Cabarubias, and I'm your speaker for today. My speech is entitled, Preserve Our Nature, Protect Our Planet. Protecting the environment, sustainable production, and the consciousness of consumption were all important issues. People were concerned about climate change, the impact of pollution, such as the air and water pollution on their health. Protecting our planet starts with you. Here are some things you can do to help preserve and protect our nature. Number 1, volunteer. Volunteer yourself, such as cleanups in your community. Get involved on some issues and concerns regarding on saving our earth. And you can also look or join for an organization about it. Number 2, reduce, reuse, recycle. Instead of throwing and burning our plastics, why not follow the 3 R's in conserving our natural resources and landfill space? We can also earn money by selling our products, and it can also help our economy that we rely on our own products rather than an imported ones. Number 3, conserve our water. Be responsible of using our water. By conserving water, it can prevent the shortage and drought in the future. Number 4, plant trees. When we cut one, we also replace it one. Trees can provide oxygen. They can also save energy, cleans the air, and it can be a home of hundreds of species. Number 5, bike more or walk more, drive less. Vehicles can spread air pollution. It can be harmful to the health of the people. Through walking or biking, we can get fresh air and prevent the spread of air pollution. Number 6, buy responsibly. Know what you buy, especially the things that you might buy that can harm or destroy our nature. And also, saving our money is very, very important for emergency purposes, like financial purposes. Number 7, educate. When you're in your own further education, you can help others to understand the values and the importance of our natural resources and share it to them why we need to preserve, protect, and save our planet. So, those things that I know is very helpful that I wanted to share to you. We love or we need to love our nature by preserving it, protecting it, and saving it. I know we get all benefits of nature. That's why we need also to take good care of it. And that's all for today, and I hope you gain something. Have a blessed day and stay safe, everyone!